So we're on the Disney Dream, and this is the Aqueduct. And it's a 45-minute wait. It really wasn't all that long. Here's a point of view from the line of the Aqueduct. And you see that it goes around the entire ship. There's a movie playing in the middle of the ship with a swimming pool, and everybody's kind of lounging out. This is going through the line. There's sort of a story about Donald and what happens on the Aqueduct. You get in, they make you feel comfortable, they wait until you're ready, and then they'll ask you for the green light to go. It's a really fun ride, and I totally recommend it. Make sure that you ride the Aqueduct if you're on the Disney Dream.
Alright guys, we stay seated, holding on all the time. If you're starting to slide, wait for us, we will come to help. You guys ready? Ready?
Ready.
Alright.